A flash flood is a type of flood with a sudden onset, leaving us little time to respond. Heavy rains, landslides, sudden rise in water level in rivers, and exigencies in the operation of a dam are typical causes of flash floods. Flash floods can cause huge damages to lives and property. DULF is a flash flood damage prediction software entirely developed in the Department of Applied Mechanics at the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. The software helps predict the extent and severity of flash flood damage in a given geographic location. Let's virtually visit the Idamalayar Reservoir in Kerala, in India, and resolve a dam water release problem. We see the region and its topography on Google Maps here. We have replicated the same topography and scenario in our software here. We see the flooding of water when the dam releases 1000 cubic meters per second. Here the colors, particularly the red color, indicates the extent of damage due to flowing water. We shall compare the damage due to a release of 2000 cubic meters per second with that of 1000 cubic meters per second. The interface of DULF software is very user-friendly. A flooding scenario can be easily set up in a browser. Depending on the sources of data, any geographic location can be accessed. Please contact us for more details.